Hey guys, welcome to GoNoodle. This is a resource that I use for music and movement in the classroom. It's a great resource to use during brain breaks in your classroom or if you have indoor recess. I do not have an educator email address this year. However, you can use an email address like your Gmail or your own email address, your home email address if you want. But you do have to create an account. It is free. So you go ahead and you log in. And here is the home page. And you will see that they have featured videos and different options to click on for that. Or you can come up here to channels. And I find that it's easiest to find videos based on looking at the channels. Some of my favorite channels and some of my kids' favorite channels are the Cuckoo Kangaroo guys. They're kind of like the Wiggles, but kind of like the new updated version of the Wiggles. They really love the Popsico song. So here you can make the video full screen. For the purposes of this video, however, I am going to go ahead and leave it the regular screen and not full screen.
Hey, Maximo.
Hey, what?
Are you ready?
For what?
To pop.
Pop what?
Popsicle.
My hands are high, my feet are low, and this is how I popsicle.
His hands are high, his feet are low, and this is how he popsicles. Popsicle, pop, popsicle, popsicle, pop, popsicle. Hey, Kids Bop.
Hey, what?
Are you ready?
For what?
To pop.
Pop what?
Okay, so as you can see, it allows the kids lots of movement time and time to answer and chant different songs. Oh, and then also a really cool feature is that they can earn levels. And so here we're 9 out of 10. And so we'll say keep playing, and I'll show you what that means once we get to 10 out of 10. So let's say I wanted to go ahead and watch Get Loose.
I get loose. Hey! I get funky. I get down. It's all about your feet. Tippy toes. On your tippy toes. You know.
All right, so you guys get the point with that. And I wanted to go ahead and show you, if I go back to channels, let's say you have indoor recess and you have a lot longer to spend on one of these videos. A lot of these videos are anywhere between 3 to 5 minutes long, which are perfect for a brain break. But if you do end up having indoor recess, which we did a lot, we had a lot of rain and moisture this year and last year, as you guys are aware of. Here are some different videos, and it shows you here how long the video is. So let's say you know that your indoor recess time is going to be longer than 10 minutes. You're probably going to want to choose one that's anywhere between, so like our recesses were always between 15 and 20 minutes long. So I would try to choose ones that were longer. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to click on this one, the Whole Lot of Love one.
Indoor recess, whole lot of love. Hi, I'm Coach Terry. You can call me Coach Terry. And you can call this Indoor Recess. This mega mix is a labor of love, and it's all about love. So love up and firm up your love handles with these loverly exercises. Yeehaw! Greetings, my friends. It is I, Ronaldo, Maximo's brother. Just kidding. It's me, Maximo. Steps to the right, 1, 2, 3. Give me 4 steps to the left, 4 steps to the right. Give me 4 steps to the right, 1, 2. Let's
Forever!
Say it's what you make it.
May you be safe. May your life be filled with joy. How did you feel when you gave caring wishes to this person that you love? Happy, proud, sad, any other feelings? That's when you need your own.
I love it. Y'all just flexed your body muscles and your love muscles. Love on, people.
So as you can see, the indoor recess ones are a bunch of different GoNoodle videos kind of mixed up together. And so that way, instead of you having to maneuver and click on a whole bunch of videos, it's going to go ahead and stream the videos all in one loop. And so your kids can stay engaged and moving from video to video. Also, what you saw at the end was a calm down video. They typically will try to end each indoor recess music and movement GoNoodle stream with a calm down breathing exercise of some sort to get your kids focused to come back to the classroom. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this again and let the video end.
I love you. I really, really, really do. Yeehaw!
Okay, so then quit playing, and we get to level up. So it says down here, Mick Pufferson, Bigfoot is totally a myth. At least that's what my BFF, the Loch Ness Monster, told me. So each time that you do a different GoNoodle video, you have chances to earn points, and then your little character, my character is Mick Pufferson, leveled up. So we go to the transmographer, and the kids love this. Awesome. And this time around, we didn't choose a different character. Once Mick Pufferson levels up as much as he can, it'll give you an option to go ahead and pick a different character for your GoNoodle resource. So we want to click keep playing. Up here is your hearts. So I haven't favorited any videos yet. So how we can do that is if you go to channels and let's say you click on MooseTube, you see the heart right here. You can go ahead and let's say that's your kid's favorite video or something. You can go ahead and click on that heart, and then if you go back up here, it'll have that favorited in your favorites. And so each time you go to this resource, you are not having to search for it again. It's already there in your library. Check this resource out. It's really great. Honestly, it's great for kids all the way even through middle school. I love it with younger students, but you can make this work for your kiddos if you know that they love to dance, they love to move, they love to be goofy. Check it out. You won't be disappointed. There's a lot of different options, and they're constantly adding to this website too. And so if you don't see something that you like, then check back later and you can see what other options they have. Flow, I want to show you this really quick. Flow is where they do their mindful exercises or breathing or different strategies. These are going to be the calming ones. So if you feel like you have a student in your classroom who would benefit from doing some breathing exercises, and it even tells you down here what it is. If it's breathing or stretching or what it is, that would be an awesome resource to use to do a little brain break with them before they get back into what they were doing before, whether that was something academic or some sort of, reading activity or whatever. So anyway, that was GoNoodle. Like I said, you have to create an account. And once you've created an account, you have access to these different resources. Up here, it looks like, I haven't really explored this part of it. It looks like there's different guides that you can click on. So let's say you want to do build class community. Oh, it gives you access to videos. Okay, so it gives you options for videos, it looks like, for the resources. So that's kind of a cool feature. I'm going to have to go back and explore that feature because I have not done this yet. Very cool. Very, very cool. All right, so anyway, that is it for GoNoodle. I hope you check that out.